Thank you for the question because, again, it underscores the interest of Nigerians in our party. That stories of defection or possible defection that is catching the attention of Nigerians is exciting to us. On the fact that we have a political party that is beyond individual offices, that is organic, that is from the grassroots up. While we recognize and understand the contribution of individuals, whether by office or by leadership roles that they have played in the party, but it's to tell you that this party is beyond an individual. So what I would say to Nigerians is that the party is solid. We've gone through this route before. But because of the foundation of the PDP that is strong, solid, based on the people, and that's why we have reasons to believe that we are the only truly democratic party in this country that is based on ideas, that's based on conviction, and is based on policies. It's been on record here in this country that we've had vice president of this country leaving this party. We have presidents from this country under this platform that have shown interest not to be part of the party, or that have been docile about the activity of the party. But the party remains. So that is the message to Nigerians, that this is a party truly so-called, that yes, it's an institution built on ideals, and those ideals are based in the people. And that's why every day Nigerians are excited about what we're doing. You come into this secretariat every day, you see a lot of people that are not even party members. Nigerians, ordinary Nigerians, are excited and they, what are you doing? So while we understand that our leaders, particularly governors, are important, we recognize that the people are actually the strength of the political party, particularly our party, the PDP. So you are as a political party, but we are not deterred because, like I said, and I will refer to that again, the train for the 2025 elective convention of the PDP figuratively has arrived in Ibadan. And that's why you see all this briefing. The advanced team of the entertainment subcommittee are already in Ibadan. The venue committee, they have been there. We will be visiting next week. Of course, we'll have one of you to come with us to see the preparation that we had. The security committee met, and of course, that's a public conversation. So we're moving. We do know that some of these defections, we must talk about that. The defection that you see, if you want to go to Biblical, it said, the Egyptian you see today, you see them no more. The APC that is orchestrating all of this through intimidation, through coercion, through blackmail, by 2027, Nigeria shall see them no more. So that's where I'll end without questions, and I guess Nigerians know that PDP is actually their hope, and we're excited with the enthusiasm and the kind of feedback we get with what we're doing, with particular reference to our convention. So we recognize that, and we just want to tell our members, stay focused, and like don't fret, don't be afraid. We're moving ahead as a party and we'll do well.